Welcome students to another video of second year intermediate. In this second year intermediate classes, now we are dealing with question number 15, that is writing a CV. Okay, either CV or a biodata. Okay, they have different meanings for biodata and CV. Okay, CV is of course resume, CV, biodata. Okay, curriculum vitae is a Latin word. Okay, it's a chronological order of one's life. Okay, generally these CVs are written for academic purpose. Okay, academic positions. But whereas normal job applications, they require only few things to be given, right? Now, in our second year, under question number 15, we have this concept of writing. Now, how to write this CV and what actually is this? The examiner will give us one advertisement. You can see that, okay, there is an advertisement. Now, let's look at a job advertisement that appeared in a newspaper. Okay, job advertisement that appeared in a newspaper. Now, how to write this? Now, we need to read this entire concept thoroughly from here to here. What actually they asked us and what we have to write. Okay, now in this video, I'll explain how this CVs can be written or biodata forms can be written. Now, what is the advertisement asks us actually? Are you creative with words? Yeah. A leading advertising agency with national operations require copywriters, Hindi, English and bilingual and creative managers. Okay, Hindi, English for its head office in Hyderabad. Masters from reputed universities, having excellent communication and presentation skills with a good command over Hindi and English. Language may apply for these positions. Okay, interested candidates must have experience of working on brands and on or in leading advertising agencies. Right, now this is a requirement. Okay, what do they require? They require copywriters and creative managers. Okay, what is the requirement again? Must have a master's degree from universities, having excellent communication skills and presentation skills, okay, and things like this. Okay, now we have to write in the examination hall, okay, the response for this. How to write this, okay? Please email your CV at jobs svadventures.co.in with position applied for in the subject of your email. Okay, last day to apply. Okay, don't bother about the dates because our study material had been printed long back, right? Now here is the answer for this question. Okay, here is the answer for that question. Now how he has answered, let us see here. Yeah, okay. Name A. Chandra, father's name, then date of birth, age, gender, marital status, religion, nationality, address, contact number and email ID. All these, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, nearly 13 to 14 columns we have to remember. Okay, now after this, okay, what he has written? Name A. Chandra, father's name I. Srinivas, date of birth 1992, age 27, gender male. Okay, it's not necessary that you have to write your name and your father's name. It can be imaginary. Okay, well, religion, nationality, house number is also imaginary. Okay, you need not think, okay, what house number should I write? Okay, you can write any house number, right? Flat number 2, Srinagar Colony, Mahbub Nagar, right? 509001. Right, now contact number Contact number is also not of your own. It can be any number. Any 10-digit number can be written here. Now, email ID. Now, after writing this, let us proceed for the next one. And here we need to give us our qualifications. Okay, as in the advertisement we saw that, okay, a postgraduate is needed. Now here the standard candidate has written M.Tech. Okay, M.Tech, that is. Now you have to remember that this entire information should be written from bottom to top. Okay, top qualification should be on the top and highest qualification should be on the top. Okay, this is PG, this is degree, this is intermediate, and this is SSC. Where they studied? SSC he studied in Government High School Mahbubnagar, intermediate Government Junior College Mahbubnagar, and B.Tech some engineering college in Mahbubnagar, and years they mentioned 2009, 2009 to 11, 11 to 15, 15 to 17. Now he provided our percentage also, 10th percentage, this. Okay, like these year and percentage can be interchanged here. It's not a problem. Okay, now qualification, institution, year of study, okay, percentage of marks and everything. Okay, students. Well, now we need to write experience. Okay, how many years of experience he has? 2 years of experience as creative director in design ad agency. Okay, then reference can be given on request. Then languages known, English, Hindi and Telugu. Now nearly 14 to 15 names, okay, columns we have to memorize once. Okay, now at last we have to write, I hereby declare that the above mentioned information is true to the best of my knowledge. Now place Mahbubnagar, date, Chandra, this is signature. Okay students, did you understand now? Okay, how to draft a CV? Yeah, okay, let us take another one, okay, for your practice. Yeah, this is another one. Look at a job advertisement appeared in the newspaper. This question has been asked in March 2018 in our state. Okay, March 2018 in our state. Now, what to read about this advertisement? A prestigious public-private partnership company is looking for competent, self-motivated and dynamic candidate to fill the following position based in Hyderabad. So what position is this? Sales representative. Okay. Now what is qualification required for this? Okay. Degree in business administration, finance or economics. Okay. Candidate having additional qualification in HR, IT shall be preferred. Okay, then he or she must be responsible to give support in the area of administration, communication, payroll and HRD side. Or she must be fluent in English, Telugu and Hindi. Okay, 3 languages they required, and let us see how this answer has been drafted by the student in the examination. Now to apply for the above position, please send us your biodata to, this is a telecom sector, TSGOV in, apply within 15 days from the publication of this advertisement. Well students, now coming to next, what is the answer for this? Now see, Naveen Kumar is applying for this job. Now how he is writing his biodata here? See, name, father's name, date of birth, age, gender, marital status, religion, nationality, address. Okay, same order we can write. Okay, no issue. Now name, Naveen Kumar, Okay, then N Venkataramana. Okay, then date of birth, age, male, bachelor, Hindu, Indian, like address and everything. Okay, now here we have a different phone number. Phone number can be any other phone number. Okay, not necessarily that we have to give our own phone number. Okay, well, contact number this is, and email ID also must be given. Okay students, now let us take another one, continuation of this answer. Yeah, academic qualifications. As I told you just now in this video, like highest qualification should be placed on the top. Okay, highest qualification should be placed on the top and lowest qualification should be at the bottom. Okay, now let us start from SSC. SSC he studied at ZPHS Vanapatti, year, percentage. Intermediate, Government Junior College for boys, 2007-9, 93%. BCom, Government Degree College, Hyderabad, 2009-2012, 84%. MBA, SVITS, okay, Hyderabad, 2012 to 2014, right? This is 80%. Okay students, why we need to give percentage and year of study and everything? Because it is compulsory for the people to know about this. Well, now what experience we have to show? 5 years in Infosys as an accountant. Now reference available on request. Now language is known, Telugu, Hindi and English. Okay students, now what we have to read here? Now this is a declaration. I hereby declare that the above mentioned information is true to the best of my knowledge. Okay, place and date. Okay, and the signature of the student. Now here in our textbook, okay, from page number 149, okay, page number 149 to 158, page number 149 to 158, we have this kind, like, okay, all advertisements and everything. Just take a practice with answers that are given in our study material and be done with this topic. Okay, this is easy for us to do, because a second year student cannot have a problem for writing this kind of exercises in the examination hall. Okay, now we need to keep in mind that we have to see that, okay, 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus system, okay, 10th, okay, 10 plus 2 intermediate, 3 degree and MBA 2, okay, like this. Okay, so we can write about hobbies or like, okay, any other information if you want to give, we can. Okay students, now any clarification is needed, okay, you can surely ask us, okay, once you come to the college, or if you are preparing from home, there is nothing wrong. Watch this video several times and try to answer the questions as shown on the screen. Okay, definitely you will get good marks. Okay students, now with this we shall be taking leave of you. Okay, and any clarifications, questions, okay, are invited if at all you have. Otherwise, let us take leave from. Okay, now have a good time, prepare well.